Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
They opened up a you ever had a Raisin Cane? Huh? Raisin Canes? They about to open one out here. I never heard of it before. And they just opened a Jolly Bee right here. I said we ain't gonna talk about that right now. I'm not trying to argue with you. Yeah. You funny. Always come out here to dance and stuff. So, proud of. What's today? Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Oh, we're playing double dutch.
Make some noise for Utah. Make some noise. Utah's in the house. Now Utah, listen up. How much do you know your life? 50 can save you, 100 back to Utah. Remember, everyone watches you. Where's your wife? Who loves you?
I had none since. When you hear them songs.
We're celebrating you tonight. Wait, you gotta back up.
Like 40 minutes early for work, man. I'm in Times Square. Go sit in Byron Park because I am early. I'm going the wrong way. We're going this way. Ciao. So nice out here. It's a little chilly. That's what you call nice. Thursday morning. The Raw new movie. October 21st. That looks good. Raising Cane's ain't open yet. I'm waiting for it to open. Lady poking in my video, man. Damn, girl. Okay. No smoking. We're getting ready for winter. Look. They putting up the stuff. Some of them is up already. It's empty. Back to winter. All the stuff over there. I see them. I ain't walking all the way down there. Where the chairs? Oh, I said, where the chairs are? Oh, they're still over here. Oh, let me see how far they are by the thing. They're not doing much. Oh yeah, let me show y'all what they're doing at the The skating ring. See? Body working. Alright, body working. They're fixing the skating ring. I'm hungry. I think I should go to McDonald's. Get me a iced coffee or something. It's looking like I should go to McDonald's. Cause I'm hungry. Caramel frappe. I feel like McDonald's stuff is better than Starbucks. This is so good. And I got pancake and sausage. You know how long I've been eating this? Oh, I have bacon too. I've been eating this for so long. Like years. Oh, they changed the syrup. That's not how it was before, was it? Oh, see, it's been a while. I don't remember. But I got 2 butters. Do warm it up. I'm about to warm it up. What's in the box? I mean, it says tuna, but I thought it was only sandwiches in there. Let's see. Ooh, I got goodies. I got some cookies. Oh, man. Chocolate chip cookies. And dill pickle. Chips. Why took so long to say that? And food sandwich. Ooh, it is not lunch. Man, look at that. Save me some money. I had to buy lunch. This little box is cute. They had brought a turkey to me, but I don't know. I wanted tuna. I think I take both. I'm about to, because I put it down. I went to go do my rounds. And I left it by the desk with the other card. I'm about to go get it. Because why not? So this one is Black Forest ham and turkey. So, ooh, this one is better. I got a salad. This one is better, bro. Oh, not me was about to turn this one down. Oh man, I got a fruit bowl. And I got a salad. And cookies and jalapeno chips and turkey sandwich. Well, Black Forest ham and turkey sandwich. This one is better. This one is much better. Like, I gotta. Oh, that's crazy. I was like, I told him I had the tuna one already, but they were like, just take it. I was like, oh, okay. So now I got 2. And a little water. But yeah, it's 2:30. The other card is on break, and then I go to break 3:30. So yeah. I like this. This is better.
Everybody go to breakfast. You go out for the result, nothing to discuss. Cause I get by fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy at all. I don't go feed the girl, I don't go feed the girl. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. That the bad I fly, my eye.
scallion and thyme and butter and salt and jasmine rice. And I get this method from my mommy. One day I was over there and she was cooking. And I was like, oh, I never did that before. It was about 3rd or 4th time. Because I usually just do use the Italian season. And it's crazy. I be having so much time and scallion and I just don't use it. I don't know. I think I'm going to start doing this more often. It gives the rice a different taste. Colors. Look at my poppers. Hey. Don't like the camera for nothing. We waiting for an Uber because we about to go to the buffet. I'm so tall. I go shopping for you, Papa. Winter shopping. I had oatmeal this morning. I'm still a little full, but come over here, Papa. Where this man at, man? Why you taking forever? Okay, it's 1 minute taking forever. Should be coming soon though. It's getting chilly. I'm gonna go stand in the sun. Okay, I think this is him. I think this is him. Come, Papa. Check the Uber. Check the. Go in. Go over. Hello. Hey. This is a cool charging thing you have right here.
Yeah, I found them on Amazon.
That's nice.
I have to work on that one a little bit because they say that you have to turn, I think on one of them you have to turn the plug around to get it to work.
Oh.
I have to look at it to figure out why it's not just charging regardless of which way you put it in.
Oh, okay.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch say bad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with a seam. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's not in a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass taking me off, but I mean. That a bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that this bitch is my mini-me. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming.
Construction.
No, there was a flipped tractor trailer.
Oh.
Flipped dump truck.
Oh, okay.
But that was 6 hours ago. They're still working on this?
Oh, wow.
For the love of God. I would have thought this was cleared hours ago.
Back at this buffet again because my baby's hungry. So we got our first plate. This is mine. Some zucchini, some chicken, fried donut, lo mein, egg roll, General Tso's chicken. I haven't had it in so long. I don't remember the name of this thing. And zucchini. That's my first plate. Second plate. I have some dim sum. Oh, here it is. This is dim sum. I'm gonna try it. See if it's good. The come on, wait. Alright, go ahead, eat. showing me that video. He just said waiting for me to finish recording. But yeah, the noodle thing is called My Fun. It tastes very eggish, like it's cooked with egg or whatever. But it was alright. This place look crazy. I look fat. I'm going to the gym tomorrow. It's cool. Let's have a look. Something tastes like ginger. 12%? I think it's ginger. It's throwing it off. It don't taste right. It's okay, I guess. Huh? Open it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Read it. What it says? Hold it up, Papa. What it says? Read it. Turn it around. Turn it around. Read it.
Woke is only temporary. Poor is a stage of mine.
It's nice today. It's nice today. It's a beautiful day. This cab's still taking forever to come. I think she's right here. Might be that car over there coming. Come, Papa. I think that's her.
Scope on my clock. From a gun sound on my clock. Wap, 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 wap. Wap, 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 wap. Contract, yeah, kill it, yeah. So I'm in the key top. Wap, 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 yeah. Wap, wap, wap. Rifle of beef, that's done, yeah.
The seasoned pumpkin spice, the 4 Oreos. This one is, I don't know. Yeah. Mine is just like the regular ones. Either the yellow or the dark one. Or lemon. Yeah. Oh, this is the cart. Got grapes for him, banana for me, avocado for me. Trying some mushrooms. Let's put that in the bag. That's for me. And I bought 2 salmon, one for me, one for him. And yeah, that's his. And I'm trying this. Ooh, I said $10, so I'm gonna just try it. But yeah, I just said to him I don't like the extra stuff, right? But surprisingly, I come around here just now and he picked up this one, like mints. This is what you want? Huh?
Yeah.
Why? Why are you pushing my hand away? Why? What are you doing? Ew. Oh gosh, I don't even want to think how that tastes. It tastes like toothpaste. Let me stop to eat around your food. I'm sorry. That's what you want to eat, I guess. Look at the lemon one. Lemon. Lemon? Mint? Okay. I guess it's since the season, he want to try something new. Look at the Walmart brand. Not bad at all. Alright, I'm gonna leave you alone. Alright, let's go. Go get your chips. Chips. Flaming hot cheddar and sour cream with LeBron on there. That look crazy. And that's the Lay's. That's a one in the bag. I never saw that bag before. Getting ready for the We were getting ready for the Super Bowl. I tried dill pickle chips yesterday when I was eating my lunch. It's not that bad. It's not bad at all. Okay. Get down. That was like a 15-minute walk for some heavy. Damn, I thought I just missed a train. Shit. Go. I'm tired.